What if I told you that you could automate your entire workflow without spending a single dollar? Today, I'm showing you the 5 free AI tools that are changing how creators, freelancers, and small business owners work smarter. Notion AI transforms your note-taking into a powerhouse, generate summaries, translate content, and brainstorm ideas instantly. Perfect for project management and content planning. The free tier gives you 20 monthly AI actions ideal for testing before upgrading. Create databases, organize tasks, and let AI handle repetitive writing work effortlessly. ChatGPT free version remains unbeatable for content creators. Write scripts, generate headlines, debug code, and brainstorm campaigns in seconds. No credit card. Needed, use it for email templates, social media captions, and podcast outlines. Social media captions. Upload images for analysis. The free tier refreshes daily. Leverage it strategically for maximum output. Descript auto-transcribes videos and removes filler words automatically. Canva AI generates backgrounds and text designs instantly. Both offer generous free tiers perfect for solopreneurs. Edit podcasts by editing transcripts, create professional videos without tech skills. These tools cut production time by hours, game changers for busy creators managing multiple projects. Google Docs now includes a writing assistance, grammar checks, tone adjustments, Copilot, handles emails, spreadsheet formulas, in-mail, spreadsheet forecasts, meals, emails, optometrist, spreadsheet formulas, in document summaries. Both integrate seamless recent tools you already use daily with the superpowers. Which tool will you use daily with the superpowers? Which tool? Drop a comment below and hit subscribe for more productivity hacks that save you time and money.